Hello and welcome to Canbook, your simple and smart tool to manage appointments, clients, and payments in one place. In this video, we'll quickly learn how to add a booking from your business dashboard. Even if you are new to Canbook, don't worry. The process is simple and easy. What is a booking? A booking is just a reserved time slot for a client, whether it's for a salon service, a fitness session, or a turf game. Bookings help you organize your schedule, avoid clashes, and keep client and payment details in one place. You can add a booking from the client profile or from the calendar view. In this video, we'll add a booking from the dashboard. From your dashboard, go to the booking section and click on the Add Booking button. Once you click it, a simple form will open with two main fields at the top. Select Client and select Service. Selecting a client, choose the client from your existing list. But if it's a new client, scroll down to the bottom of the dropdown. You'll see an Add Client button right there. Click it, you can quickly fill in the client's details, like their name and phone number. They'll be automatically selected without leaving the booking form. Next, select the service the client wants. Once selected, Canbook will show available time slots. These slots are organized calendar-wise, meaning each calendar represents a staff member, room, or court, depending on your business setup. If you want to check another date, use the date selector at the top. As soon as you change the date, the available slots will update instantly for that day. Click on an available time slot to choose the schedule. When ready, click Next. Now you'll be on the Confirm and Pay screen. This is where you review all booking details before finalizing it. On the left side, you'll see date and time of the booking, the selected calendar or staff name, and, if needed, you can edit these anytime before finalizing. Next comes the Payment Options section. If the client has a membership that applies to this service, it will appear automatically. You can simply apply the membership. Or, if the client will pay later, choose Pay Later, which means payment will be made at the venue. Just below that, there's an Add Note box. You can also add a note, like prefers evening slot, or any special instruction. On the right, you'll see the billing section showing the selected service name, client details, and the total amount to be paid. You can also adjust the price using Adjust Amount, record offline payments using Add Cash Payment. Just select the payment mode and enter the amount received. Below that, you'll also find the cancellation policy for the selected service. It'll clearly show whether cancellation is allowed and up to what time. Once everything looks correct, click Book. Your booking will be created instantly. You'll then be redirected to the calendar view, where you'll see the booking added to its respective time slot. At the top, you can select any date to view that day's calendar and check all bookings scheduled for that date. You can click on any booking to open its full details, and from there you can add or adjust payments, undo a payment for a short time, cancel a booking, share booking details with your client, and download invoice after service completion. Adding add-ons, extra services or products. Add-ons allow you to add extra services or products to an existing booking, like adding shampoo along with a haircut or drinks with a turf booking. You can do this directly from the booking details screen using the Add Add-ons button. When you click on it, you'll notice that the client's appointment date and selected advanced service are already pre-filled, so you only need to add the extra details. To add a service add-on, click Add Service. Select the desired service. Choose the calendar or staff. The price will autofill based on the service, but you can edit it if needed. You can add multiple service rows if the client wants more than one extra service. If the client has an active membership that applies to any of the add-on services, you'll see an Edit button on that row. Click it to view the list of available memberships and choose the one you'd like to apply. To add a product add-on, follow a similar process. Click Add Product, select the product, adjust the quantity using the plus and minus buttons. The price will pre-fill automatically, but you can modify it if needed. Once all add-ons are added, click Next. You'll see a summary and payment screen where you can add an additional note, record a cash or UPI payment, if received directly, and review the billing summary. Finally, click Generate Bill, and those extra services and products will be added as add-ons to the main booking. You'll see them appear in the booking details sidebar, keeping everything connected to that client's original appointment. And that's it! You've successfully created a booking in Canbook and learned how to create a new booking, manage payments, add extra services and products. With Canbook, everything stays organized, clear, and easy to track. Start booking and make your business scheduling smoother than ever. Keep growing with Canbook, your business simplified.